Hello, my name is Rodrigo Senra, and I'm going to present to you a short demonstration of ISIS network-based platform Unicode capabilities. We're going to inspect the use of the console and the gateway to achieve that. Here, we start the ISIS-NBP cell in console mode. The console mode is useful for doing inspection and maintenance to databases. I'm going to use it as a system administrator to create a new database called test. Inside this new database, I will create a single record. And inside this record, I will put some data. This data could have any Unicode characters. For instance, action and the translation of action in Brazilian Portuguese. But we could insert into the database any Unicode string. So let's grab some Japanese characters, cut and paste them here. Now I save the record inside the database, and then I quit the console mode, and I start the ISIS-NBP cell in server mode. Now I'm going to use ISIS-NBP network based capabilities to access the data inside the ISIS-NBP cell through the gateway interface. For that, I'm going to use a standard browser, and I'm going to point the browser to the ISIS-NBP that acts as a server. I type localhost, but I could do this across the internet. I could insert any IP address, and then I'm inside the cell browser interface. There are some APIs that could be used for programmatical access, but now I'm going to show you a standard interface through which users could directly access data inside ISIS-NBP. The first one is a PFT shell that can be used to display records and format them using standard PFT expressions. You see that I'm accessing Unicode data inside the cell. Now I'm going back to the home page of the cell, and I'm going to use the REST client interface. That's a tool to teach how developers can use the ISIS-NBP API to access a database through a different programming language. So I'm going to access some database here. Let's read some record from current collection and the test database. I want to check out a single record, and then I see the XML version of the protocol with the data inside, and here you can see Unicode characters. Okay, this is it. This is our short demonstration of ISIS-NBP Unicode facilities. I also, if you want to have further information about ISIS-NBP, please refer to ISIS-NBP portal sponsored by Bireme. There's a wiki. You can access ISIS-NBP codes, downloading it by Subversion access. There's some documentation there. And if you want to interact with other ISIS-NBP users or developers, please do use the mailing lists. We also would like to acknowledge several people involved with ISIS-NBP development. For instance, this team. Thank you very much for watching our presentation on ISIS-NBP.